Most developers walk into Angular interview and ready to talk about component and services. But then they get hit with the questions like how does Angular really detect changes, or why to use a standalone component or ng module. That's where things get tricky. In this video, I am going to share 5 real Angular interview questions that most people don't ever prepare for, and I'll show you how to answer them with real examples. So if you are aiming for your next Angular job, don't skip this. Question number 1. How does Angular detect changes in the DOM? Alright, first to understand, how does Angular know when to update the UI? So there is something called Zone.js. Basically, it watches for button click, HTTP calls or timers, and then it runs change detection to update the screen. In a newer version of Angular, we can use signals or on push to make this even faster. So if you want performance, we can go for this approach. These are good to mention in your interview. Question number 2. What's the difference between constructor and ng on init? Yeah, this one is quite common, but still people get confused. Constructor is used when the component is created. It's where we inject our services. ng on init is called after Angular set up everything. It's a right place where we write the logic of fetching the data from the APIs. So in short, constructor is a setup and ng on init is for running the code. Question number 3. When should you use standalone components? This is a newer Angular feature, and interviewer want to see whether you are up to date or not. Standalone components let us skip ng modules, so your code becomes cleaner and easier to manage. I recommend using them in the new projects, lazy loaded modules, or feature based code. Question number 4. How would you manage state in a big Angular app? If it's a smaller app, you can use services and subjects. But for a bigger app, you can use something like ngrx or the new signal store. Just explain what you have used and why. That's what interviewers care about. The last question. How would you improve the performance in the Angular? This one is a favorite question. You can say the things like use on push strategy, lazy load your routes, use track by in ng4, or avoid memory leaks with proper unsubscription. Mention 1 or 2 things you have done actually. That makes your answer stronger. I have put together a free Angular interview preparation kit. It has more hidden questions, sample answers, and even some code snippets as well. You can download it from the link in the description. Also, if you want one-on-one coaching to prepare your interviews or want to improve your Angular skills, check out the coaching link below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more helpful content like this. And let me know in the comments what Angular questions you have been asked in the interviews.